This is the Google Ads scaling question everyone gets wrong. How do you scale your Google Ads the right way without blowing up your Google Ads campaigns? There's only two ways. But in order for you to know which way is the best way, we first need to answer if you should even scale in the first place. Because if you don't check this first, you're likely burning your Google Ads budget. It's just 3 steps. When you increase your budget and your cost per click increased too, you probably could have prevented it first by, I literally have no idea why no one checks this, but I get on calls with experienced Google Ad professionals wondering why they can't scale, and it's because they didn't check these 2 competitive metrics: search impression share and click share. Because if those 2 were above 80%, and you increase budget, you're going to be giving Google more money. If those 2 metrics are under 80%, then you can move on to the 2 ways to scale. The first way I like to call the sniper approach. It's where you're focusing solely on hitting your target and nothing else. Basically narrow and precise. It's where you're using older bidding strategies like manual CPC or maximize clicks, and you focus on the right search terms. And only those search terms, excluding everything else. The second way is to leverage the Google AI algorithm where you use smart bidding. You'll want to set a TROAS or TCPA to force the algorithm into more efficiency. This protects your campaigns from being stupid. And the way to scale your Google Ad campaigns here is to use the staircase method. This is where you increase your budget over time based on your conversion lag, which is the first time from first impression to your conversion. And if you're looking for a complete overview on when to use which bidding strategy, you're going to want to check out this video here.